Oh, that's the Metro North, Donovan. Two trains. That's the freight train and the Metro North and another Metro North.
Come on.
It's the Metro North again. And what station is under there, Donovan? You see it? What numbers are there? Wow, a lot of trains together. 4 trains.
That one's big freight train. See, that one's at the left side.
That's right. The light is red. They have to share the track, so the signals and the switches have to